Mm-hmm. Here we go. Ding, ding. Ding, ding.
Clean 120-point candle.
A little bit of a pullback here, no? Nope. Okay, that's fine. Just go. I literally had an order sitting at like 604 and it just went.
Pull back? I don't know her. Bye.
Yeah, what pullback?
I go now. Well, I
But
did.
this is very on brand for what we've seen in the markets the last couple of weeks. We just get an insane push or drop at the open, and then it's like, you know, as they say in Jurassic Park, hold on to your butts. You know, it's been, these opening 5 to 15 minutes have been wild these last couple of weeks.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
I'm also looking at Bookmap here. In the NQ, I don't see a ton top of book right now. So just kind of be careful, guys. That means we could be swiping pretty hard one way or
I'm
the
in
other.
NASDAQ longs, guys.
Holy smokes.
What's your entry?
I got in at 633, 637.
637.
So I guess I'm still income in here, but I'm in longs.
All right.
My target on this is going to be 712. Let me see if I can change my screens here, Drew, if you don't mind. Yes, is also needs to clear this high here, previous day high. Volume's really good here. I do like this for continuation. Where is my thing?
Yeah, good push. Damn. Up 40 points in like 1 minute.
All right, I'm going to scale out a little bit here.
Nice. Yeah, now we can see your screen. Wait, but
All
we're
right,
going to
I
go
scaled
on
out
that screen.
2 contracts. I'm trading 2 accounts right now.
Nice.
My stop is going to be break even.
Nice.
See if we go test 700 here.
There we go. I'm going to
What
move
a
my stop
push.
to 65.
Damn.
I could even keep them. I'm going to keep them at 57.75. There we go. There
Nice
we
push.
go. Nice.
Wow. Look at that
Nice.
volume, man. Nice.
Crazy.
All right, we're pushing 7. This is my exit, guys. If you don't want to hold on to this, I would exit here, but this is my exit. I'm going to hold these, but actually I'm going to get rid of 2.
Nice, Miriam.
A good play.
What
Good
a
play.
push.
All right, there we go.
God.
Stop is at 691. I have 1 contract left.
Let's see what is going on today.
I might get stopped out here. All right, I stopped out. 4,090 on that trade.
All right. Hey, Miriam, look what you get for that. Money gun.
Hey, let's go.
Nice. Great
I
trade.
love it. That was a perfect tap into that 712 level. Look at this freaking level, guys. This is what I was mentioning. Right here, break a previous day high, tap into the 712 level, and now we're getting a little bit of a rejection. So let's see if we can clear this. ES is still not at that 66.97 level, which is why I wanted to trade NASDAQ. It looked much stronger than ES. I do think this still has more upside as long as we can hold 645, 650. So this could still go, but this was originally my target here. So if anyone caught that, nice.
Nice.
What a break.
Yeah.
Crazy
just
break.
keeps pushing. That's insane. Like in 7 minutes, that was a move of 206 points. 7 minutes.
That was crazy. That was actually crazy. Anyone in the chat caught that long? That was kind of a wild long, not gonna lie.
That was a while long. I feel like we should celebrate this by announcing the giveaway winner for a 25K Lightning funded account.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Drew, let's run the giveaway bot. Everybody have an eye on the chat. Winner of a 25K Lightning funded account is Funny Short. Wait, Funny Short, not close slow. Okay. Yeah, you won. What a name. He says, "Oh my God!" Hey, congrats. Hey, your profile pic is funny though. I like it. Add your email address to your YouTube channel description, and we're gonna send you your 25K Lightning funded account within the next. I was about to say 25 days. It's actually 7 days. Don't worry.
Just 25 days.
We're just hanging out right now.
You get a 7K Lightning.
We're trying to
Oh, it was in
see
17
what there
days ago.
is. Not really sure what's going on.
Oh man! All right, congrats who caught that long. That was a quickie.
That was a good, very good trade. Good momentum there.
Yeah, there was a lot of buying pressure coming on bitmaps. Once we got that clear of 600, it was off. It was off. Now we're getting a rejection of the 712 level here. Let's see if they can hold. I see levels at 6.
All right, is that the top right there so
We
far?
can hold that level.
Is it?
Even right here where we're kind of coming into right now on NASDAQ. So let's see. ES still kind of rejecting on the 15-minute this previous day high. So not so great on ES. Like I said, NASDAQ looks.
All right, we're looking still, trying to figure out what's going on here.
A little bit. ES ate a little bit too much turkey today.
Turkey. Yes, it's struggling. YM is pushing down like crazy. Let's see. Hey, Mary, since you just absolutely banked on that trade, what's the next light goal?
The next light goal. What are we at? 478?
All right, let's see what else we can do. Let's see.
Let's make it.
Remember,
We are trying to train this opening range
555.
here.
555 angel number?
It's not
We
too
got
far
5
off.
more minutes for it to
Guys.
close. This
Yeah.
this one is our scalping
Look at you
account.
guys watching.
This is about
We did not take any trades on that.
Okay.
There is a
What's
bit
the
of a
next giveaway, Nick?
push.
Another 25K Lightning funded.
Well, then this should be an easy peasy one, y'all.
That
Get
is
it to
an
555.
All right, you heard her. 555.
Wow, nice
Nice like
pullback.
button.
See if we can catch it all the way
Nice
down to
pullback
there.
there.
It probably isn't going to happen.
Nice exit on those. If you guys exited at the 712
Your
level.
exit was
Yep.
thick, Miriam. That exit was fire.
Keep going down.
Thank you. Thank you.
Keep going down. No, it's not going to go down.
Or how we would say here, shit.
Oh, it did. All right, well, we caught the little... Oh, nice.
I love
Good
it.
sized order sitting there at 600, couple below there.
Yep.
Right
I see
above
that one.
previous.
All right. All right, all right. Oh,
Oof.
actually,
Let's see if we can tap into previous day highs.
did we just find our old...
Brett shorted at your exit and banked, he said.
We did.
Take my order.
Buying too long 575 now.
I would
I see.
6. Yeah.
Got like Asia high.
Now we got to try to find the opening,
Actually, don't hate
Asia
that.
high.
which is
I
at...
don't hate that.
No, I don't hate that either.
ES trying to hold on to its
2513.
here. Let's see. ES actually looks much weaker.
25...
I would even look for a pullback to 66.
2513.
57 on ES, or even like 6660. Let's see.
25...
600 levels very key, guys. Not only we see a couple of orders on the board there, but that is the right in the middle of the +1 standard deviation off of Bebop there. So keep the little highway band that we talk about. So the bulls are going to need to hold that as we go further down or up. Nice rally though. Let's see if we can get back up to highs here.
Yeah, this looks good actually.
Yeah, straight push. 620. Didn't even make it to that 600 order, Matt.
No, it didn't. No, it didn't. And they pulled
not
about
yet.
under the contract. So
No, that's not allowed. Too long.
What are we doing here to see what we
It
can get?
just says, "Talk
Can we
more
get
about
some?"
Bookmap, please? Can you trade without it? I use it religiously in my trading. It's actually one of the reasons why
We
I
are
got into this
waiting.
Trade was
3 more
Bookmap
minutes.
was a big reason.
3 more
why
minutes and
I-
we're going to see what
I
we got.
entered this long. I was
3
mentioning like I want to
more
pull back. I want to
minutes.
pull back. I was watching the 1 minute and I got like a little bit of a pullback on the 1 minute. I was like, I'm going long. There was just so much buying pressure coming in on book maps, and I have a specific indicator that tells me like
Gold
how much
looks
aggressive
little
selling or
crazy,
buying
actually.
comes in. It's called the market pulse, and so it was just astronomically on the buy side. So for me, I was like, all right,
Is it
I'm
gonna go
low
up or
key kind
down?
of chasing into this, but I knew my target was going to be a pretty significant target to the upside. So yeah, book maps is pretty key in my trading. I look for specific levels to like it's just the confluence that I get with my levels that I get on book maps that's super helpful for me. So, you know, for me right now, like I saw the 700 level being a form of resistance. I also do have that 712 level on my chart. So I was like, you know what, guys, I'm gonna get out of this trade. But right now, ES, like I said, ES does look a little bit weaker. I think if NASDAQ comes down to this 24,600 level, which is a level I see on book maps as well, I think that this could essentially be a pretty good target for us to possibly go long. But right now, it looks like they're trying to hold. Let's see.
All right, as you can see, we're starting to
What do you
break
guys think?
underneath here.
I mean, I'm seeing a strong up candle, a little bit of a down candle, and now we're kind of fighting here. We're battling, as it were.
Great
Between
analysis.
yeah, thank you, appreciate that. Between 50 and 80
I
here.
think
So
we're
this is a
gonna
big
go
candle.
down.
This is going to close out our orb here in just a minute. So
We're about to close here.
orb
Yeah,
does
it's
sound
coming
like
down
an
with
alien
me.
in Star Wars. I will say that.
It sounds like what?
An alien in Star Wars.
An orb, a little
Yeah.
orb.
I do like ES.
How does it
Actually.
speak?
I like ES more for the shorts. So if we can start breaking down here below this orb, which is going to be established here in about 10
There it
seconds.
is.
So if we can come down here about 66.55 is that orb level, break down below that, and then I actually like it for a test of this trend line. I'll kind of watch it and see what we're doing at this trend line. So that would be probably around like 66.43. See, right now we're trying to hold beep up. But I do like it if we can break, maybe come down to this trend line,
So we had a good
have a retest of this opening range low, and
good
then possibly get
200,
some weakness and break further to this low level here. Otherwise, we come down to this trend line 66.43, hold, you know, come back up to beep up, and then rally
open.
from there. That's kind of similar to what we had on Friday. Not as clean, I would say, but
What do you think, guys?
Friday was
Do you think
a
we?
very, very choppy morning until we finally got the buyers step in and just rally us to the upside.
How do you know what happened on Friday? You were napping on the couch.
I wasn't napping, I was observing, okay?
5-minute ATR here in the NQ, guys, is 41, so it's getting up there. So again, be careful.
Good times.
Good times.
Good times.
Oh, man. Hey,
1975.
falling, going to London low now.
I see the confluence though between Nasdaq and ES in terms
Boom.
of if ES
That's
can hold
it.
this 55 level.
All right, these
and
levels
NASDAQ
are
can
locked
hold
in.
600, even like 590. I think this still looks good.
I'm gonna
to go
wait till
long.
it breaks
So
out
like
above
another
one of these two,
retest
see
here.
what it
ES
looks
just
like,
shit,
and then
honestly.
go from there.
ES is struggling. ES is struggling.
We're gonna see what this looks like while
What
it's
are you laughing
happening.
at, Nick?
The chat.
What?
Love how they picked up certain things from Friday and they're using them again. Look at Rilo Trades comment. I can't say
Yeah,
what he
Andrea.
said
I'm just
because
messing
he's
my
gonna
eyes.
laugh again. I can't say it because apparently I said it wrong.
Oh. Wait, say Cleopatra, Nick.
Look, in German, it's Cleopatra. Huh?
No. You didn't say. You said it like all weird.
Yes, it's Cleopatra.
Cleopatra.
Yeah, because that's how it is in German.
Cleopatra.
I actually, a friend of mine broke his Cleopatra once. It was.
They make a pill for that, right?
Jesus.
Cleopatra. That
All
was
right,
probably the best
markets
thing.
are moving here, guys. Let's go.
That was the best thing you said. Oh my god. That was good. That was
I
good.
do. Nick, that accent does do some fun things. I do like that.
That accent does fun
Hey,
things.
I got some
All right.
other accents.
What do we got?
So
What
I
do we
heard-
got?
We know you do. We know you
No,
do.
this isn't always the fun,
Look
the
at this
fun,
level
fun,
NASDAQ
fun.
holding here. Didn't even tap into this Friday's high. ES still holding. Beep pop. It needs to get up above pre-market high, the 6670 level. There's a lot of sellers sitting at 700 here on NASDAQ as well.
This is our scalp account. This is our
Brett says nice 1 minute.
trade account over here to the right. Another one up here to
You
the
trading
left.
Bullflex now, Brett?
There's one behind it as well.
Yeah. Americans don't care. They'll make fun of anything.
Yeah, we will.
That's true. But then you make fun of us, we get pissed.
Generally, yes. Me, I'll make fun of everybody, ourselves included. So,
Yeah.
all right, we do have so they're fighting. It's just between like 600 and 700. So a nice little 100-point range there.
Mhm. Gold's still struggling. Gold is holding the daily open level at 4,069, but it is still in this weird range channel. Again, it's in sync with NQ, kind of.
Yeah, NQ's struggling at the 700 level, not able to clear. Those are heavy sellers sitting there on book maps. 600, like I said, 600 is that level that we do need to hold. So we're coming down there. Selling pressure
That's
starting
not
to
what
pick
we're
up
going
here,
for right there. What the
especially
hell?
on ES.
Yeah, the Bears really took control there.
Mhm. See if 600 holds here. Strong wick to the upside, though. I don't like that. Oof. Yeah, ES is rough right now.
Mm-hmm.
See if ES can clear here. What is SPX doing?
All right,
SPX
let's
down the
see.
gap fill, broke that opening range low.
Wow.
Yep.
That is a move.
Yep.
Look at it go. New all-time
Actually,
low.
we got to take a look at
All-time
the
lows.
overall
Let me see
market.
the 6640 level clear to the downside here on ES. Did get a nice move though. This would have been the entry for me if I was trading this opening range low. I'm just because I took a trade already, I want to be a little bit more mindful. So this would be the next entry, 6640. Or we hold this trend line, we bounce. So it's just kind of an interesting level that we're at. NASDAQ came right down through this 96 level, holding pre-market high at 574, 575. I think that's the level Brett just mentioned.
Yeah, fast. He didn't get tapped in. It was so fucking close, Brett. I actually drew that GP on my chart. This was so close. Oh god.
Oh no.
Here, I literally had it here.
You might get it. You might get it here. I think he said 74 is his entry.
75, 575.
Okay. Brett, are you chasing this if you don't get it? I want to know.
That was so
Yeah,
close.
this looks like it might be a good buy here, especially if we can't get down below this 75 level. This NASDAQ looks like it might pop here. Ah.
Well, 360 trades. The real buy signal is Brett saying go long. That's the real buy signal.
Chase it, Brett. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Don't chase. Don't chase. Don't do it.
Don't chase, kids. Oh yeah, well that's an important phrase for commas as well.
Wild.
Good times. Good times.
Oh, good times.
515 likes, chat. We need 40 more. 40 more, and we're gonna do another 25K like.
It's not happening. What's going on?
What's the ATR?
ATR right now sitting in there at 45.8.
Well,
Did it on Friday again?
this is what trading is like when you're doing it right.
Like, this is big. 45 is big. It was almost double this on Friday.
Are you raging today? Might be raging today.
Just starting to form a channel here.
All right.
By the way, since I know this is one of our higher viewership times during the first hour of the market, let me just remind everyone the schedule. We're normal today and tomorrow.
Let's go.
I'm
Let's
also
go.
handling the stream, or part of it, or all the stream on Wednesday. I'll let them tell you kind of what the hours are for that. Us Americans
What's
will be off
happening?
Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Friday, the markets are open for a half day. We will not have a stream on Friday, so I'm sorry that I'm going to clarify that.
Yep. That is correct, Matthew.
I will be. It's
Like,
Friday
I want to
morning.
take
I'm
a
still
quick
gonna be
little
zonked out
short
from all
here,
the triple
but
chin
I don't
and
know.
turkey on Friday. That's
Zonked out. Ay, ay, ay. Why was it so volatile on
I
Friday?
guess we could have.
Fucking mental trying to trade
Looks
that.
like
Yeah. It was
might,
so
you know,
volatile in the morning. Like,
Just previous.
I was zonked out and I was like, no, thanks.
Oh man, look at Brett there. Maybe Simba will go live and hand out 150
See what we can find
funding
here.
for Black Friday. Holy shit.
Damn. Okay.
I
Now everybody waits for that.
guess
then
it
he
is
goes
gonna happen. You know, enough to possibly scalp a little bit more. It's okay though.
like.
He says, I got an account. Good luck, everybody else.
Good luck, everybody. Hey, by the way, also important chat. The second round of the Grand Cup is coming up on the 2nd of November. So that's going to be the live stage where the top 200 battles against each other. Speaking of it, and it's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy.
It's gonna be wild.
Stop stealing my shtick.
They're all going to be trading live accounts.
All right, guys. So we've got a lot of selling wicks to the upside here on the NQ. One buying wick underneath. That's the plus one, the highway band, guys. I'm looking very closely at that right now. A sustained push below about 615 or so, and then maybe confirm with a break of 6. Beep up's down there at 534, so that's where I would be potentially looking there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, chat. This is Rage Bait 101. It's obviously December 2nd, not November 2nd. But I actually realized. Wait. It's not December 2nd. My bad. It's 30th of November. I was like, wait, no, that makes
What?
no sense. That makes no sense. It is 30th of November. It starts this Sunday. My bad. Sorry. I was looking at I was looking at the knockout round.
Are you okay?
All right, we're just getting some stuff all situated
30th
here.
of November. My bad.
What do you think's
That is
gonna
when
happen,
I
guys?
last
You think we're
checked
gonna
also.
go up? Think we're gonna go down?
Ah.
I don't really know yet. We're gonna have to check this out.
Some indecision
It's
here on the
looking
futures.
like we might break above this.
Brett, why 564 for the next order? What do you see?
We're gonna put it right underneath here.
Eh?
We're gonna see.
Eh?
Where is USA?
Yeah, where is USA?
USA?
This is really bad
Day?
level to do that at. We might be going negative.
Yeah, don't you know there?
We're gonna see this. We're gonna see a punch up. That's what we're gonna
I'll
try.
tell you, Nick, it's good for me that nobody's ever been offended by this accent. I'll tell you that.
Let's go.
Wait, people get offended by accent?
Yeah,
We're going for more bigger trade.
we try to be nice
Hopefully
up
we
here in
pull this
Canada,
out.
Gary, but yeah, some people.
We might lose
Some people.
the profit we gained.
I think,
But we're
I
gonna
think
check
we
it out.
refer to it,
We're gonna
here
see.
As, sticking to butt syndrome.
It's taking the butt syndrome.
As in some people need to get the stick out of their ass, but that's a whole nother conversation.
Yeah.
Come on.
Did we hit
Come
that
on.
like goal
Punch
yet?
it.
555, guys. That's what we need for the next
I don't think we are.
giveaway.
I think we're just going to come
We're getting
down.
more. We're close.
We're close.
We're close.
Come on.
Damien, how was the Miami trip?
Pull up. Pull up. It might pull up to here. I think we might pull up here.
Boy, look
All
at
right,
this.
Brett, go enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully you get triggered on that long. Make
Yeah,
a
Brett.
make a milli.
We're going to pull into profit here just in case.
Wait, are you Joey fucking Morgan?
All right.
Make a milli.
Make a milli on my AI boat.
It's a little scary. Probably could have stayed in.
Boy, yeah, this is some interesting chart action.
We can
There
see
was that
though. Let's
first
see what
initial
happens
push
here.
up, and then there's been,
Merriam slaughtered that push.
yeah, well, that's
I mean, your exit was 712, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it never got back up there anymore.
Yeah, we'll see. It's struggling right now. We're kind of squeezing. ES just looks.
Oh, looks like it might.
This is another thing. This is another thing.
Pull
Whenever
up.
I see that both futures, like I had said this in the beginning. Oh, they look like they're in sync. They're in confluence with each other. And then that changed very quickly. And I said that too. I was like, this could change very quickly. Right now, what I'm seeing, NASDAQ looks like a really nice long. ES actually looks like a potential short. I wouldn't consider a long on ES unless we come down and test this trend line, which we did. But right now, we are struggling to get back above the 6670, which was pre-market high.
Sometimes
So
I don't know that we're gonna get it.
There,
I don't know that we're gonna
honestly, I
get
don't even
a
like ES until we get back above previous
solid
high, to confirm the longs. But Nasdaq, I do like
strategy
for the
trade
longs
here.
currently, as long as we're still above this 75 level. Brett had mentioned, if we come down and tap into like the 55 area, that would probably be where VWAP starts to come up into. So that wouldn't be.
Oh, here we go.
At this point right now, I'm not loving any sort of setup here. Like they're getting the move up right now, but I want to see an actual clean break of this high here. ES starting to get the move. Let's see if we can clear this 77 level. That was a big candle out of nowhere.
823.
Interesting.
and I got filled on a long there, and I got screwed on the fill. I was trying to get in about 670, and I got tapped in at 682 on that push. So I'm playing for a tap of the high a day, but I'm not going to let this go too much against me. So my stop is up there at 723. It's 2 minis. I am going to slip in a break-even stop here just because this is not kind of how
I actually might pass on this one.
Trade, but I'm
I don't know. We are hitting a level here.
I'm playing for a push up to 725. We'll put that right at 725. So my orders are either 685 or 725. I would not normally go to break even this quickly, but again, I'm playing with about 10 to 12 points I was not anticipating playing with. So again, I got to play defense on this trade, so it basically could stop me out break even if it doesn't get that push up to 720.
725 has some sellers sitting there as well on NASDAQ.
Not sure what we're gonna do, guys.
77.
Be honest.
Some sellers sitting at 6680 on ES. We have a lot of sellers sitting to the upside though, like 6685, 6690.
We're gonna see right now.
Get up there, give me one
All right, so it broke above. We're gonna see what it looks like when it does do this.
Is money.
There it is. It's like
There we go. All right.
Hey, nice, Matt.
nice.
Nice.
Clean. All right.
Here, if we want to put up somebody else's chart there, Drew, I can get my P&L for the background. Thanks.
All right. Yeah, NAS, like I said, much stronger on NASDAQ here. ES starting to try to get up there right now. We do need to clear 6686 for more continuation. That was a really nice hold on the NQ of previous day high. Very clean. Some sellers sitting at 7.
Is there stuff above? There is. All right. we're going in.
Matt, this was your first trade on stream, right?
Yeah, ever.
Yeah.
Yeah. Been here 6 months. We did actually. We determined, as we said, Saturday was the 6-month anniversary of our first stream, which should go back and watch at some point. But yeah, that.
We're gonna give it a go.
Nice little push
Hopefully
here
it
again, guys.
sticks.
got
I don't know if it
defensive managing
sticks.
that trade because I got
We're
a
gonna actually
inventory
keep this
fill.
one pretty
And I'm
tight,
not blaming
just
Mark for it.
because
It's a sim-funded
I don't
account.
really trust it a
That
whole lot,
happened.
to be honest.
And it was just one of those where we wicked up high, and we sometimes you print 5-6 points higher without the candle really getting there. You just see the wick jump. That's not the easiest feeling in the world. But I was.
We're
trying
not
to get in
taking it with
about,
all of them.
About 670, and I ended up getting in about 682. So I just wanted to.
We are
I wanted to play
in.
defense. I went risk off as soon as I was comfortable doing risk off. And hey, $1,600 is $1,600. I'll take it.
He'll take it.
Yeah. Hashtag Matt's first live trade. We'll do the
Oh yeah,
OG.
we did hit. We did
It
hit
is struggling.
the like goal actually. So we're gonna
It
set
is
up forward. It's
struggling.
not
We are
bad.
gonna keep this one tight. Normally, you
Let's see if
grab the
750
middle or
is
the
good.
very
Lots of
bottom.
sellers on book maps sitting there
We
right
are
now.
keeping it tight
Yes,
just
trying to
because.
reach its
Uh,
session high here. Let's
What
see.
disconnected?
749. Printed 749.
Keeping it pretty tight.
Rats.
Nick, you fucking dick. No, my favorite one. We were talking about.
I
this,
just
I
don't
remember we were
like
talking about
what
that,
we
but
see
yeah,
over
my
here,
favorite
so-
one was the person who was trolling me for never taking a trade. Well, I
Just
was
don't trust it
literally
very
live in
much,
a
to be
trade.
honest.
Yeah, that was
I don't.
Literally, yeah, like,
That was
It's like, are you not
hilarious.
looking literally at the stream right now?
All right.
All right. Let's do
Wildly.
the giveaway. 25k Lightning funded account. All you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I give you the keyword, you type that keyword in the chat. But only do it once, because if you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. Keyword is Matt's first live trade.
oh, that's good. That is good.
Compete.
They were fast. Fast. I do see a setup on ES. Fractal model.
See if 750 can clear. There we go.
Oh, it is going.
Nice.
Here we go, guys.
In a trade?
I did. I did take that push up above 750.
It's so funny. Like, I know exactly what your nice sounds like when you're in a trade.
You know it. You already know. Yes, I did take that. Stop is going to be 750.
Fake out.
Some good action to start the day. Love this.
This is great.
And I'm out.
Nice.
And it's gone.
And it's gone.
Think it was a fake
I
out.
will say that little. You don't even have to be a fan of South Park, but if you just if you're a trader, please go just type in "and it's gone" meme and watch the video. It's like 30 seconds or something, but it is. Yeah.
Wait, can we just
Should have stayed with the strategy.
Probably not without getting some sort of copyright strike.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, I'll probably get
I
screwed.
forgot about that. I forgot about that.
Yeah, I would attempt to do it, but I
don't trust it.
It's just so perfectly done.
I don't really trust it, guys.
And it's
Sorry.
What? Yeah, your money's gone. You
Yeah,
put it
your
in
money's gone.
mutual fund into, and it's gone.
Such a good show.
It really is. It's so
Monies are a little crazy, but that didn't look very trustworthy, to be honest.
I
Um,
want to see a pullback on the.
when it got up here and it looked funky right in
I
here.
don't like this candle right now.
Which one?
The candle that's starting to form. If we, see, this is where it makes it hard, right? ES.
We'll
starting
find
to
out
clear this
if I should have
session high,
stayed.
Starting to clear opening range high. ES is just ranging. NASDAQ right now could retest where it's literally coming into right now, 722.
This is typically where you're
continue to
supposed
push.
to
The problem is ES needs to
wait
really
for it to
get
come
above
down, bounce up
66.70.
above this.
Or I'm sorry,
But
66.90. We have some buyers sitting at 700.
what am I
on the
seeing
NASDAQ.
here?
So if we
Here's
do
the
come down into
testing.
that level,
Here's the
I
testing.
would expect some sort of hold of that area. You guys can see as well this nice little top right here, right? We came up to it, couldn't quite clear it, came up to it, still rejected, and then finally broke out of it.
I don't like it.
Right now,
Let's see
we
what
could
let's
come
see
back
if
into
we
this
let's
level,
see if we did the right thing here.
potentially, and then hold
All right,
again.
under
I would
here
assume the 9
is
EMA
where
would start trailing into
when we
that
were under
area
here,
as
this
well.
is
So,
the line that
that's kind of what I look for. Is can we
this is
hold
actual
this
support
90,
zone, I
700
think,
level
right
on
here,
the
all the way
NASDAQ?
down to here.
Otherwise, we break through that, and this is gonna put in a nasty topping, or top wick.
So I think if
Hey,
it breaks
Nick,
above
third
this
trade of the
and
day,
then
IQ up
holds,
7K, nice.
then we're likely gonna go up.
Nice.
Yeah, what did YouTube do to
If
affect
not,
usernames and
we're
stuff? It's
likely
like
to
I
go
can't
down.
recognize some of our like OGs.
I
now.
know.
Yeah, I switched over to the @ handle for some reason. I don't know why.
All right, is it holding?
It happened.
Is it holding?
Let's pick a winner for 25K Lightning Fund
Let's
account.
pick a winner.
Let's pick a winner. Drew. Let's run the giveaway bot.
I don't think it's holding,
Winner
guys.
is AB Trade 79.
I don't think it's holding.
AB Trade 79. Make sure you type something in.
We're at actually last whole week of point of control.
FXRK. That is
This is a
not what-
huge area of support or resistance.
Oh,
We
I
could
see
take a look
Jamie.
here. See this line. If you take the
Now
volume
249.
profile of last week, this is that big old white line.
Watch
That
the-
is
watch the
last
700
week's
level. I'm probably not
whole.
gonna trade this, but watch
All
the
the
700
volume
level.
traded
See
is
if we
right
can hold
here.
it. Lots of buyers sitting there on
So
book max,
definitely
60
a
690 and
point
700.
of
Lots buyers
resistance
sitting
or
there. So,
support here.
wouldn't get too excited on the shorts just yet.
Hey, AB Trades. Fuck you.
Damn.
All right, see now we're breaking underneath
Uh,
that area. Almost, almost. I think it's right here.
70175. Let's see.
Let's see what happens here. We might scalp the rest of the time. Looks like we might be breaking underneath. I don't know. It's a little crazy. So crazy.
Can we hold it?
Oh, the support is
Actually,
there.
I do like this. I do like this. We can come down into the 700.
Support
ES
is
holding
happening.
The 75 level. I like it for a long. Actually, like 66.92 if we can come down there, but
Oh, 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 oh.
Miriam, what's the movement
Uh-oh.
indicator you used on your chart at the bottom? That's just the volume. Oh,
ooh, big
Nice little
selling order there. Holy crap!
all right.
that was the
Well,
hidden one.
that one's
Uh-oh.
gone.
And it's gone.
And it's gone.
And it's gone.
Uh oh. Oh, it's finding support.
And
I
it's
actually,
gone.
I
Just-
I
actually
do
do
Just
like
get
it
out.
though still. I still like it for 660.
I do like
Ciao.
this area for like to start getting.
Probably
into
should have
action
stayed
and
in.
then go
I-
down, yes. Retest of Asia High,
Yeah,
950.
660,
Let's go.
59 level would still be a long for me.
Yo, what's up, Joker?
How are you doing?
Yeah,
Ooh,
everybody was still
not bad.
typing Matt's first live trade. You can stop. That giveaway is over.
That's my favorite keyword in a while.
Is it over? Who won that?
ES tapped right into its 9 EMA here, right where pre-market high is. I do like it if we can hold this level for a long. But what would your stop be? That's the only thing. Like, your
I
stop
mean,
would
for
have
me,
to be.
I would wait for a 3-minute reaction candle, meaning like I get a strong bullish reaction on the 3-minute. Then once it closes, I take the entry and set the stop below that 3-minute candle.
That was a really strong push to the downside.
Let's say.
All
let's
right.
say we test 670, for example. Then it
Yeah.
closes at like 76. I would enter it and set my stop to 69.
Okay, now
Oh, okay.
are we pulling above? Are we gonna pull above here?
Matt, you should thank me for that keyword. I do thank you. I appreciate that. And we're going to send you a free 0K account. So just watch your email.
0K.
Oh,
Wow,
shit,
what
that
a
was
hold.
strong.
That was clean.
So
That was like a 40-point move on that freaking candle. Like, what the fuck?
5-minute ATR is
Dude,
peaked over
the
51
opening
now,
range
guys.
right here is the top of the opening range, the 15-minute orb.
Those are the ones that are like, you see
Opening
the
range,
analysis, you
not
see it
the
happening,
the
but you don't
breakout,
enter
but
because
you know,
you're still waiting on
is
confirmation. By the
the
time you get
line.
confirmation, it's already like up 60.
Literally, this is the line right here for the
Like,
point of
okay,
control,
and it's gone.
the middle point of control
and it's
of
gone.
last week's
So that's a good
most
question.
traded
It's a
volume.
serious question for Matt, as opposed to the unserious questions people
So
throw
now
around
that
all
we're
the
underneath
time.
it, it's
What do
going
you
to
consider ideal ATR
play
on
as
the NQ?
resistance.
So I don't watch the ESNQ as much. Just
So it's
because
got to
such
break
a
above
small
that
number.
for
I will
it to.
use 5-minute ATR on the NQ overall to just kind of determine what the volatilities and ranges are. Because again, the
They
NQ
could.
and the ES are trading
It
fairly
actually might.
similarly, even if they're not in lockstep. Well, we don't want
Since
them
I put a
in
trade in.
lockstep because there's more things to trade. But you know, in terms of how
Or it can
volatile
come
and how rangy
smashing
they
down.
are, they're usually going to be
It actually
very,
looks like it might
so for me,
pull up
ideally,
above.
the 35-ish area is a really, really nice place to be, right? Because usually
taking
I'm
the hit.
targeting a,
Might be taking a hit.
ATR and
All right, we
ATR
did.
plus move, and you know, half to 3/4 ATR is typically going to be my stop. So you know, if on a 50 ATR, that's a big move to catch, right? And you can get whipped out. I mean, half ATR moves can happen in a matter of
Come on,
seconds,
move
right? Or,
above.
you know, 20, 30, 40 seconds.
What
So
you
if I have to
doing,
set a
man?
stop at 25, I can't be taking more than 2 minis here, guys. Really, I probably shouldn't take more than about 10 to 12 micros.
Hopefully we're not getting
but
faked out here.
The ideal ranges, I would say.
Hopefully we're
I would
not
say
getting
the
faked out.
mid-30s. Let's call it mid-30s. 30s okay. 40s starting to get a little much. That 33 probably to 37 area is really, really nice, and that usually makes for some good trading.
Good trading.
Good trading. Actually, I got the reaction candle on ES, but the problem is it's now already at my target, so no entry, unfortunately. It was a clean setup, though. Just never got confirmation until it was at the target. AB trades, don't worry. You just need to add your email address to your YouTube channel description, and we're going to send you the account within the next 7 days.
Oh, don't really like it.
Such a clean trade on ES, damn. But it went without me. YM caught like he's catching up again. Back at almost daily open level. Market Maker Mario, you're trading YM today? Or what are you doing?
Yeah, I actually don't like this.
Just got the account with Monopoly, buddy. There we go. Who do I ask for the 0K account? Okay, this is turning into a thing now, huh? Okay, all right. We'll give away 100 0K accounts.
100 of them?
You get a 0K account. You get a 0K.
You can't. You can't do 100. You only have approval for 96.
Oh my! I'm sorry. Well, you know what? I'll pay for the other 4. It's fine. We'll go for 100.
All right. That works.
All right, we're going with the full strategy now.
Love the generosity, man.
Kind of don't like it, to be honest.
That's just how I am.
That's awesome.
Once it breaks above the point, I'm gonna take profit.
Miriam, you seeing anything interesting there, or are you just kind of waiting out the range here?
So I've already traded my 3 live accounts, or I'm sorry, 3 funded accounts.
I'm waiting for this next high.
And I'm just trading an eval right now, so nothing.
And then we're gonna
really
move
that I see.
into
We're
break
still
even.
holding this opening range high. ES still struggling right now at this opening
I actually
range. ES has
really
just been
don't like
struggling
this.
all day, but it does look bullish. They both look bullish to me right now, so I would be looking for a continuation of this
We
move.
are
It's just very chalky. So
shoot.
you know, this retest that we got here at 66 or 666, I guess, was a very clean retest.
Come on, take.
And go. I just didn't
take-
think it would.
760.
be this
This
crazy.
is what we
Like,
want to take right
for
here.
me, I like to get an entry when it's just like a little bit of a trickle down, not so much of a massive move to the downside.
All right.
So this was a really quick like move that I didn't catch. But right now, you know, we're holding this opening range high, so I do expect more continuation if we can get it. And that's just kind of what I see right now. I don't really see anything too exciting. The moves, in my opinion, have kind of already happened. But we'll see. We'll see.
Gold is ripping.
I really don't
Gold
trust
just
it.
went from New York low 4,066 up to 4,092 New York high.
I really don't trust what we're seeing right now.
They're layering in some liquidity overhead that they may want to run. 750, just under, or about 770, and then up
I want a
800.
quick
Again,
swing
they're
up,
gonna hit 'em,
grab that,
and it's
and
not
get
the
out.
biggest numbers in the world,
I think that's
but
what we're
that
gonna
is
do.
where the orders are sitting on, at least the visible orders are on the board right now. And as we know, nobody would ever put
Come on, come on,
an
come on,
order
come
out
on.
there without
Take it.
intending it being filled. That would be illegal.
Take it.
Yeah, we
That
don't
would
do
be-
illegal.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, it might pump. It might do the pump. Still don't like it though.
What are you laughing about? What's happening? Oh.
Here it goes. If it pumps,
I just saw. Another great day to sell access to our background chat.
it's not gonna pump.
And it's gone.
It is gone.
Well, I was just meant in general. Don't.
Oh, okay.
Anyway. You've seen that, right? You've seen that little South Park bit?
I've seen it, yeah.
So while we're kind of, while it's just the guys here, talk to me about that first bite of Panda Express that you hadn't had in what, been a while, hadn't it?
Dude. So, we went to Panda Express. And first of all, shout out to Nick, Drew, Colin, and Miriam. for
Really don't
coming to
trust it
Panda
still.
Express with
Come
me,
on.
Even though we just had Chick-fil-A right before that.
Give
We
me
were
the
on our way to the
one.
airport. And I asked them, hey, can we stop at Panda Express? And they were all in, so shout out. I walked in. First of all, I was so happy to just see the logo, right? So I walk in and I see.
Yeah,
this
I want out of this
massive
one.
line waiting. I was like, ah, damn.
Get me out of
But it's
this
fast food,
one.
supposedly, right? So it's gonna be a short line.
Fast-ish.
So I go and queue up, and dude, they were so slow. They were so incredibly slow. Oh my god! I stared at that orange chicken. It smiled at me. It was like, and I was just waiting there. And I had to wait and wait and wait, and then finally it was my turn. So I order white rice and orange chicken. Right? Girl prepares it. She's done preparing, and they just put it on the counter there. And we have to wait to pay for another 5 minutes. And I see it there. And I'm like, I want to eat this so bad, like right now. And then finally, it's our turn to pay. Right? We pay, take it to the table, I get that first bite. And it was everything I've ever dreamed of and more. It was amazing. I loved that. That was my experience.
Come on,
I'm
get
so
above
happy for
just
you.
a hair.
That was like listening to somebody
Just a
describe,
little
like, their
bit.
favorite Christmas present they opened as a kid or something like that. I remember the first bite I
It
get. Like you
was
were,
my
that was
favorite
that
Christmas
was high end.
present.
That's like a 10 out of 10 storytelling right there. I appreciate the qualities in the little attention to detail. Like I mean that's some
Let's go.
Charlotte Bronte shit right there. I appreciate that.
That's the filmmaker in me coming out.
There you go. All right. So still some orders sitting on the board, 740, 770, and 800, 72, 65, and 63 contracts respectively. Again, not much else on the board, and those aren't huge numbers. I'm not saying, we're definitely headed there, but that's what we're looking at. So this seems, Nick, to be kind of what we saw quite a bit in the last week as well, where it was, strong upward move or downward move, right? And then we just sort of consolidate for a little while before we get the next move. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, I just saw Angie's comment. She said, "Did you order extra to take on the plane?" I should have. I should have actually. Although I wasn't hungry anymore.
Let's give me the quick little
Chick-fil-A.
little
I
up.
never had Chick-fil-A in my life before. Okay, so the whole Tradovate TV team made me try Chick-fil-A. It was good. It was pretty good. But I ate 2 chicken sandwiches and I was pretty full after that. And then I went to Panda Express. So yeah, that was the mistake.
So they handed you the orange chicken. You went to start sitting down, and it's gone.
And it's gone.
Okay.
Hey, the regular orange chicken, not the spicy one. I tried the spicy one.
Now
in
it
New York,
could continue up.
2000
Um,
so, but I didn't
I really
like
didn't
that.
like
The
what it was
normal,
looking
regular orange
like.
chicken. That's the one. My favorite. No, Schrödinger stop loss, no Cracker Barrel. But Matt promised me to take me to a Cracker Barrel when I'm in his area. So
Yes, if Nick is ever in the general St. Louis or Chicago metropolitan areas, I will take him to a Cracker Barrel.
I'm looking forward to that.
Yep, there it goes. I think we're gonna take a hit on our other account that we've been trying to pass.
Oh man.
Yeah, I mean that was that. I will say, I get that because that's again that was such a well told story. That was like, I feel like the story of you like meeting your girlfriend is told with less enthusiasm than that particular endeavor.
That's fine. It's fine, I guess.
I mean, hey, you gotta honor the real good stuff, you know.
That's it. That's it. It is the small things in life, definitely.
What do you mean small? Panda Express?
I'm sorry.
Needed to bounce
You can
here.
get a plate, or you can get a bigger plate. So
Okay.
You guys want to watch
Break
this?
of,
It's basically the
700
same trade.
we can maintain below.
you know what I don't like right now? That it's just like chopping around in this area.
Yeah. Yeah,
It's
I mean,
not really my
at some
favorite.
point, you've got to kind of do one of these, and I'm not going to put it all the way there, but let's kind of about where we want to be. So again, we just
We're gonna watch it get hit right now.
this
Just like I
this
thought.
midline,
We didn't
going
we
high,
didn't get out of that one.
high,
We were
high,
too busy
high,
looking at the
low,
other
low,
ones.
and now
We
let's see if
actually
break.
really
Again,
wanted to
to
pass
me,
this
the
account
fact
as
that
well.
the 700 level is right here at the +1 standard deviation
but,
band.
you know,
That's a strong area of support, right? Which means if we crack it,
it is what it is.
we
Now
could
it's gonna go
pretty
up a little
hard,
bit.
pretty fast. And I think again, Bebop sitting down there below 600. Honestly, Nick, you could tell me in 30 minutes we're below 600. You could tell me in 30 minutes we're above 800. I believe.
Yeah.
At this point.
Yeah, everything is possible right here.
How's the chat doing, guys? How's everyone hanging in there?
I think if it comes up, we might.
Guys, green, red, flat. Oh, by the way, we need a new light goal. Matt, it's your honor right now.
All right, how many we have right now?
600.
I'd like to pass this account.
Okay, let's do
Why not?
685.
685 chat. That's the light goal for the next 25K Lightning funded giveaway. Trendy Invest lost $350. That's good discipline.
It is.
Red, then green, green, green. Still in your first trade empowered. You're in a long, I hope. Up $32. Hey, green is green.
All right, now it's coming back up.
Today, a little scary, but bright green. Nice. We love that.
Nice, Chris. Appreciate that. That's awesome.
That is awesome.
TJ, nothing wrong with that, man. Nothing wrong with that. If you're not liking the action, this action is not for
Okay.
everyone, right?
I mean,
Like
I'm flat. I'm flat.
We are
Well, and
in.
listen, and I took a trade, and you know, okay, it was nice profit, and like this is Miriam's environment right here, kind of this chaos. This is where she does very well. This is not necessarily the environment Nick and I are going to do our best trading, right? Like, you know, patience and that. But again, it just goes to show you guys. And if you watch, I say it all the time, but you watch Lumi, you watch Moss, you're going to watch DGen and Rebecca in the afternoon. There really isn't two of us that have. You know,
Well,
I mean,
now
maybe
it's
we're
gonna go
somewhat
up,
similar
of course,
styles,
since I put
but,
the
there's no
short
two of us
in.
that trade exactly the same, and it really reinforces that idea. As it said,
Put
there's
it in
many ways to
again.
make money in the markets. They're just all real hard to find.
Yep.
That's concerning.
True. See, like when you said before, nice break of the 700s. That's what I meant. It's
Yeah.
just ranging here.
Yeah, it really is.
Disgusting. I do not like when it does range. You know, I like the Eiffel Tower movement.
Might take max loss for the
Still
day on
can't
this
enjoy
one.
the movement. You can't just sit still.
Wait, what accent was that?
I don't know. It was sort of a combination of a bunch.
That was a combination between like Russian and Canadian.
There's Russian, Canadian, and French. I think a little bit of everything.
It was Canadian.
Oh yeah, there, get me the vodka. By the way, it's nice to know not just at home do you carry around oversized bottles of water.
Okay.
Hey,
I didn't even see him bring it into the studio, and all of a sudden Nick's got like a gallon jug of some sort of filtered water.
what do you mean oversized?
Guess
Isn't it
we
like one
were
like this one?
a little scared earlier.
That straight up looks
Could have
like
took a
money.
little bit more.
It is.
Let me
Let's
find
let
out
it
you
be
have
ordered
a
like this.
problem, comrade.
Oh
I
shit.
talked myself out of
Through the
keeping it
bottle.
in, you know what I mean?
There's just stream like that.
This is how I stream from now on.
Did you bring something else home?
When
from Florida?
we should have got out earlier
Oh wait, it gets better.
in the profit on this account.
That's awesome.
God, stuff of nightmares.
Ah.
We're kind of being
Yeah,
too
don't check
scalpy
over
with
there.
this one.
Don't
This
check
one's
over
supposed to
there.
be a strategy. We've brought
So,
this
yeah,
one
guys,
back from super far back, and we're kind of giving it back already.
Now, the 5-minute chart looks ugly. The 3-minute chart looks uglier, at least for about the past 30
So-
minutes.
Wow.
So we are just about to put in our initial balance. So we'll see if maybe the Joey Morgan special comes out.
And
Pop, back
we're
above.
pretty much at a point
So
where we
what
just
is
got to
the,
leave it now.
high of the New York session? So basically sitting
Um,
at about 770. Do we pop up there, maybe make a run at 800 and fail back into the initial balance? That'll be what we take a look at.
Man, this 735 level on the NASDAQ, like on the 5-minute, you can just literally draw a line trying to break through that area right now. So we'll see. I'd like to see this candle open above
it
it.
is now above the
This-
point of
this is
control.
just- it's not cute. It's not
It
cute.
is not. No, this reminds me very strongly of the action we saw, kind of actually very shortly after we started streaming. Is that we'd see these big moves at the open, and then just if you missed them, then you're chasing. That big move up. If you didn't, if you didn't catch it like Miriam, it's been a challenge to find some good setups, right? Because
Anyways,
well,
that's
I
it.
mean, just this
It is
little
time to
mess
go.
right here,
All the
we're throwing
loves.
up all these selling bets,
Peace. We'll
and then
figure
we
out
just
how this
drop
one
right through.
goes
I mean, that's
on
this
the
is one of
accounts that
those
we're
things
actually
that you guys in
tracking.
futures, I'm a candlestick trader through and through. You guys know
We
that.
are up.
But intraday charts on futures, the candlestick patterns.
We're
are
gonna
just
put
not
these
as
in real
reliable.
quick
This
before we forget.
pattern right here with the selling tail,
So we are
selling
positive.
tail, and a break
2,
below
7,
a
8,
key area,
80.
in this case the +1 standard deviation band. You throw this up on like a daily stock chart or a 4-hour stock chart, this is a short and probably a successful short 80% of the time. But look what happened. We broke down and then
27.
we took 15 minutes and went straight up from there. all the
Do
way
we
back
take?
up
Oh, we did take a
high.
hit, huh?
And then it's been baiting the longs the whole time. I think they may want to flush this at some point, but I'm not confident enough in that to take a position right now.
Yeah, it's just chopping. I mean, right now, like ES is not, it's not doing a whole bunch right now. This is a very, very choppy area.
There's so many orders
every
above
time
this.
we come down to like the opening range, we just
That
reject.
area
So the
makes
second
me
high
want
on
to scalp
ES
this
is
out real quick.
66.89, right? Like we're not even able to get above 66.90. The original target for me, if I would have been in this long, would have been the 66.97 level. Right now,
Get some of that.
you know, my stop would have had to be at
We were
like
up pretty
66.70
decent on
right now
our
in order
scalp
to
account,
lock in
but
down here, right?
Yeah.
But
started
it's
losing
just-
it.
It's really
And we're
tough
gonna
to
lose
say
this
right
other
now just
one.
because it's just very choppy.
Just
It's very
crazy.
choppy.
Anyways, we
you
do
know,
really have to
the-
go.
the
All right,
action
peace.
right now is saying you know,
Peace.
potentially shorts might want to come in, but overall,
Oh, I
for the
still
day,
want to
it's
take
a
that
long.
trade right
You gotta
now.
Look at this as a long.
I
So
still want to take it.
it's one of those where you don't want to initiate a short because you might get squeezed, but at the same time, like you don't want to initiate a long either right here. So you want to wait for a decent pullback. And this is kind of one of those where do we just wait until price action figures out obviously what it wants to do, or wait until the afternoon session when we might get a little bit more movement here. So yeah, it was just kind of an interesting day to trade so far. I wouldn't say it was like the best day to trade, especially like I said, I typically don't like to take trades right in the open. This one I was like, I got to take this. But it was yeah, definitely hard day if you're not, if you're an opening range break trader, you probably would have gotten stopped out right here. This is more of a range trade sort of day. On ES especially, but we'll see what we get. I do think this breaks out. I do think this breaks out, considering that we're holding, we're making
there it goes.
higher
It's gonna
lows.
break.
We're not able to completely break down yet, so right now it's still a long for me. Is anyone in a trade though? I want to know in the chat.
I do want to answer or at least respond to Yamil here, and then Miriam, get your thoughts on this as well. Said, I'm feeling down. I don't know what to trade anymore. Tick charts, if so, my slow should stay at the
all right.
Tick chart, time
well.
chart.